Today we're gonna make oobleck, and for this you need 2 cups, one mixing bowl, cornstarch, and food coloring. This is optional. You don't need food
And a
coloring.
spoon for mixing unless you want to mix with your hands. So the first step is take half a cup of water, or for his case, because he has a small cup, 1 cup of water, and pour 1 to 2 drops of food coloring inside. Then pour the water inside. You're gonna need a cup to measure. So next, because if you filled half a cup of water and put it in here, then you have to put the whole cup of water in. So basically you want, so if you have 1 cup of cornstarch, then you're gonna need half a cup of water.
Well, now I need 2 cups of cornstarch because I have 1 cup of water.
Well, as you can see, it can get a bit messy. But next, take the cornstarch and pour it inside the water. And then you mix. When you're mixing, you might already feel that it's very hard.
So now we've made oobleck. As you can see, if I hit it really hard with my fingers, it's not going through. But if I keep it gently, it's easily going through. Same with this. Like if you just smash it with all your might, it won't go through. Just gently let it, and it'll easily go through like cake.
And I drew a pattern on it. With the spoon, it's hard to take up. So like you hit it hard with it, it won't go because the force spreads. But if you gently let it in, then it can seep through. Okay, now here are the hows and whys. So oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means that if you hit it hard, then it's more impact resistant. But if you gently push your finger, then it can go through. So it's also honey is also a non-Newtonian fluid. When it's warmer, you can push through the honey more easier when it's cold. I hope you liked our video and learned something. Bye.
Bye.